Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Well, you saw these guys before they were weathered, and so I got them weathered, and these C424s, and I also got them programmed in for the ditch lights. So I still need to change the horn out yet, but you get the idea. Alright. Little technical difficulty there. There we go. The second unit doesn't have the side belt on it because I'm waiting for a parts order, so it'll be sent out, and then when I get the bell, he'll just install it. There's a hole there for it. Other than that, all the detailing's done. Horn moved, Sinclair antennas in the right spot, ditch lights, Canadian sand hatch on the front, and wipers on both units. If I ever get a smoke module to run for these alcos, I think that'll just push everything over the top. Again, all the weathering, you can see all the door hinges and the handles all highlighted. Pretty heavy weathering on these guys, especially on the roof. But they look really good. That one's the bright red and this one's the action red. So two different versions. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I got about 5 videos to shoot today, so we have a whole lineup of nice stuff coming up. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.